The Rhine Falls Panorama Trail offers one of the most breathtaking nature experiences in Switzerland, combining powerful water, dramatic landscapes, and peaceful viewpoints into a single, unforgettable walk. Located near the town of Schaffhausen, this trail guides visitors along the northern side of the Rhine River, revealing ever-changing perspectives of Europe's largest waterfall. As you begin the trail, the sound of rushing water grows steadily louder, building anticipation with every step. Soon, the Rhine Falls come fully into view, an immense curtain of white water crashing over ancient rock formations stretching out across the river. The falls are not just tall, but incredibly powerful, sending mist into the air that cools, you spin, and sparkles in the sunlight. The panorama trail is well maintained and accessible, making it suitable for families, casual walkers, and photography lovers alike. Along the path, several viewing platforms offer standing angles of the waterfall. From each lookout, the scene feels different. Sometimes, the focus is the waterfalls of the water, other times the surrounding greenery, the cliffs, or the river flowing away downstream. One of the most striking sights along the trail is the large rock formation standing in the middle of the falls. This natural island, crowned with a small flag, has become a symbol of the Rhine Falls. Watching the water surge around gives a strong sense of nature's strength and endurance over time. As you continue walking, the trail offers moments of calm as well. Shaded sections pass through trees and quiet river banks, providing space to pause early and taking a fresh alpine run. Boats can often be seen below, carrying visitors closer to the falls and adding a sense of scale to the massive landscape. The panorama trail is more than just a viewpoint. It is a journey that engages all the senses: the thunder of water, the cool mist, the vivid greens of the forest, and the wide open sky come together to create a powerful and memorable experience. By the end of the walk, visitors leave with not only photographs, but a deep appreciation for the natural beauty and energy of the Rhine Falls, a place where nature truly takes center stage. Perched high above the Rhine Falls, the historic castle stands as a guardian of the river below. Built from solid stone and shaped by centuries of history, the castle once served as a lookout and defensive stronghold. Today it offers visitors a unique place where medieval architecture meets one of Switzerland's most dramatic natural landscapes. From the castle, the trail begins to unfold along the edge of the Rhine. As you walk, the river can be seen flowing wide and steady through the valley, reflecting the sky above, surrounding forests. At this point, the Rhine appears calm and almost peaceful, giving little hint of the power that lies ahead. Continuing along the castle trail, the sound of water gradually grows stronger. The river narrows, its movement quickening as it approaches the falls. From this elevated path, visitors enjoy sweeping panoramic views, with the Rhine cutting through the landscape and cliffs rising on either side. The castle's position provides some of the best viewpoints in the area. From terraces and lookout points, the river can be seen plunging over the rocks below, creating clouds of mist and a constant, thunderous roar. Boats appear small against the scale of the waterfall, highlighting the sheer force of the water. The trail itself is calm and well maintained, inviting visitors to slow down and appreciate the blend of history and nature. Walking here, surrounded by ancient stone walls and the powerful Rhine, leaves a lasting impression of beauty, strength, and timelessness.